In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix a flickering cursor in Excel efficiently. It can be quite frustrating to experience a jumping or flickering cursor, especially when you're in the middle of working on an important spreadsheet. Fortunately, there are a few steps you can follow to solve this issue. Let's dive in. First up, let's open the Excel application on your computer. If you're already familiar with launching apps, this step will be a breeze. Simply find Excel on your desktop or in your application list and double-click to open it. Once Excel is up and running, let's navigate to the File menu, which you can find in the top left corner of the window. When you click on File, a menu will drop down. Here, you'll want to select Options from the list. This will open up the Excel Options window where we can make some adjustments. Next, in the Excel Options window, you'll see a menu on the left-hand side. Navigate to the Advanced category. Once you're there, scroll down until you reach the Display section. This is where we find the magic option that often solves the flickering issue. Look for a checkbox labeled Disable Hardware Graphics Acceleration. Check this box. Disabling hardware acceleration can sometimes mitigate graphic conflicts that lead to a flickering cursor. Now, click OK to apply the changes. The next few steps involve using the Device Manager in Windows to ensure everything is functioning smoothly. Start by typing Device Manager into the Windows search bar, then click on the application to open. Inside Device Manager, you'll see a list of hardware categories. Look for the Display Adapters section and click the arrow next to it to expand the list. From here, you'll spot your display adapter. Right-click on it and select Update Driver. This ensures your display driver is up to date, which can help fix cursor issues. Continuing in Device Manager, we're going to examine potential device conflicts. Find and expand the section labeled Human Interface Devices. Here, look for any entry that says AGID-compliant pen device, or anything similar under biometric devices. Right-click on each one and choose Disable Device. This step is important because sometimes these devices can interfere with Excel, causing the cursor to flicker. That's it. You've completed all the steps needed to potentially fix the flickering cursor in Excel. Remember, making these changes doesn't just apply to Excel, it can also improve performance across your system. If your cursor is still flickering, it might be worth looking into other software or hardware issues. However, in many cases, these adjustments should do the trick. Thanks for watching and happy spreadsheet editing.